Hey there YouTube, hope you're all doing well today. My name's Nathan, or you can call me Nate. What you're looking at in front of you are 8 EGS slabs. This is my first unboxing video and also my very first EGS unboxing in general. I did 8 books, no pre-screens. I did choose one clean and press option for the Spawn 1, that was about it. I wanted to test it out to see how good they were. Other than that, EGS hasn't been around very long, a few years, but some people are hating on them, loving them. I'm a collector, I like my comics slabbed regardless of its CBCS, CGC. But I wanted to try out EGS because I really like their labels. But let's get past this EGS intro and let's see the goods. Let's go. Alright, so with each slab you get the grader's notes in the back. Now they're in the bag, not in the slab. There's no census yet to date, but that'll be a few years away. Overall, I do like the EGS product. I did make a second submission for 15 books, and we'll see how that goes in a couple of months. I do have a CGC video coming up, my very first CGC unboxing. I'll have that up in a week or so. And we'll have fun with that. And until then, I'll see you guys later, and take care, work hard, and happy comic hunting.